Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Critical Process Died blue screen error on Windows 10 and 11. This error usually says your PC ran into a problem and needs restart. It can happen for different reasons, like faulty or newly connected hardware, outdated or corrupted drivers, or even problems inside Windows itself. But don't worry, I'll walk you through a series of solutions, starting with the ones that work best for viewers in the comments, and then moving into deeper troubleshooting if needed. And by the end, there is a high chance your PC will be running smoothly again. Let's get started. Let's start by shutting down your computer completely. Power it back on, and at the login screen, hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding the Shift key, click the power icon at the bottom right, then select Restart. Release the Shift key once you see the Please Wait screen. From the Options menu, let's go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Repair. Windows will now scan your system and attempt to fix the startup problem automatically. Now, for many people, this step alone fixed the error. If the startup repair didn't work, let's go back to the Advanced Options, go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Command Prompt. And let's type these commands one by one. You'll find all these commands down in the video's descriptions. If you see the access denied on the fixboot command, just skip it. For this command, replace the C drive with your Windows drive if it's different. When everything completes, type exit, close the command prompt, and restart your PC. If the issue continues, let's boot into safe mode. Go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Settings, then click on the Restart button. From here, press the 4 on your keyboard to restart into safe mode. Once in safe mode, open the disk cleanup from the search bar. Check all the boxes, especially the temporary files and Microsoft Defender antivirus data. Then delete them. Open the Run window by pressing the Windows key and R key, and let's type msdt.exe space -id space DeviceDiagnostic and press enter. Run the hardware troubleshooter and apply any fixes. Then go to the control panel, program and features, and uninstall any recently installed apps or updates that might have triggered the issue. A lot of viewers said uninstalling recent updates solved the issue for them. If you're still stuck, let's go back into the startup settings and try option 8, which is to disable early launch anti-malware protection. And if that doesn't help, try disable automatic restart on system failure so you can see the full error message instead of the endless reboots. If nothing else works, let's go back to the advanced menu, click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then System Restore. and just pick a restore point from when your PC was working fine and roll the system back. And if this helped you, let me know which method worked for you in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.